Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious creamy wild mushroom lasagna. The first thing we need to do is cook our mushrooms. So in a large rondeau pot, we're going to add in quite a bit of olive oil because mushrooms will suck up so much of it. And I have about 1.5 pounds of assorted wild mushrooms. All mushrooms are good. Buttons, baby portabellas, shiitakes, even oysters if you got them. Add them in there. It's going to take about 15 minutes for these to sear and get a nice brown on them. So frequently stir them, and once they are nice and caramelized like this, scoot them to the other side of the pan. Then on the other side, we're going to add in some shallots and some finely minced garlic. We're going to cook this on the other side of the pan just for 2 to 3 minutes, get a little brown on them, then combine everything together. Once it is at this point, we're going to add in some all-purpose flour. We want to make a roux because this is going to become a sauce. Mix it in until combined, and then add in 4 cups of whole milk. Turn the heat to high, which will sort of activate the roux, and it will become a delicious creamy sauce like this. Looks perfect. What we do want to do, though, is season this up with a little bit of salt, fresh cracked black pepper. Stir it until combined. Then what we're going to do is just briefly set it to the side. Let's pull out a 13x9 casserole dish. We're going to add in a little bit of that mushroom béchamel to the bottom. Then I'm going to add on our lasagna noodles. Now, you can use par-cooked and chilled lasagna noodles, or even those no-boil lasagna noodles will work as well. Now, to layer on, add on some more of the mushroom béchamel. Next, we're going to add on some shredded mozzarella cheese. It's going to make it really cheesy, delicious. And then for a little bit more salty cheese, we're going to finish with some shredded Parmesan cheese. And then just give it a little salt and pepper. Just want to make sure all the layers are seasoned. Then what we're going to do is completely repeat this process 4 more times. So more lasagna, more of that bechamel mushroom sauce at the end, and all those cheeses delicious. Going in the oven at 350 degrees, going to take in between 50 and 60 minutes for it to be perfectly cooked and golden brown on top, just like this. Let's check out a slice. Incredible. You will love how rich and delicious this creamy mushroom lasagna is.